In this video, I'm going to show you how to listen to a call in Conversation AI. You'll see that I am on a call recording between myself and Ivan, and on this call, I have a play button in the center. I can hit that play button to simply start playing the call and listening to the recording. I can also adjust the speed that I listen. It's very common to listen to calls at 1.5 or 2x speed in order to get through them quicker. Additionally, you can do the same thing for video calls. As I look in the RingDNA telephone platform on the left-hand side, if I pop over into one of my video calls, this was a Google Meet meeting. I go to the conversation record and I click on the recording URL. This will take me into how I can view a video call. Similarly to how I can view a telephone call and view that recording, I can do so here with the play button. When I hit play, I'm now watching the video call. I can skip through it. I can search the transcript just like I would on a telephone call. That's how you listen to call recordings in the Conversation AI platform, both audio calls and video calls.